Welcome to Speak English Step by Step. Meet Emma, your English teacher, and Leo, your fellow English student. This is English in action. Let's begin.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight, turn left at the bank, and the station is next to the hotel.
Okay, go straight, turn left, next to the hotel.
Exactly.
One question, how straight is straight?
You keep walking in the same direction.
Good, and when you say turn right, do you mean correct?
No. In directions, right means this side.
Ah, so right can mean correct, and it can also mean a direction. English enjoys small surprises.
It does. Today we will make those directions simple. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to ask where a place is, understand a short route, and explain how to reach a nearby destination.
Without getting lost?
That is the goal.
Excellent. My sense of direction needs help in every language.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson.
Part 1. Welcome to Day 6. Hello everyone, and welcome to Day 6 of the 7-Day English Speaking Challenge. I'm Emma, your English teacher.
And I'm Leo, the student who sometimes turns left when everyone says right.
Today, we are learning how to ask for directions in English. In the previous lessons, you learned how to introduce yourself, talk about your routine, order food, go shopping, and talk about your likes and dislikes. Today, you will learn how to find a place.
A station.
Yes, a station, a restaurant, a hotel, a bank, a pharmacy, a cafe, or any other nearby place.
Very useful. Sometimes I know the English word for a place, but I do not know how to ask where it is.
That is exactly what we will practice. Our main route pattern has 3 steps. First, go straight. Second, turn left or turn right. Third, find the place next to a landmark.
Straight, turn landmark.
Exactly. We will call this the 3-move route method.
That sounds easy to remember.
You will listen to complete conversations, repeat useful phrases, answer route questions, correct common mistakes, and build your own directions.
And today's mission?
You will explain how to reach one place near your home, school, or workplace.
Good. I will choose a place I can actually find.
Smart choice. Let's begin. Part 2. Start politely. When you ask a stranger for directions, begin politely. The most useful phrase is, "Excuse me."
Why not just say, where is the station?
People will understand, but "excuse me" sounds friendlier and more respectful.
So I get the person's attention first.
Exactly. Then ask, "Where is the train station?" or "Where is the nearest cafe?"
What does nearest mean?
The place that is closest to you. For example, "Where is the nearest pharmacy?"
Useful when I do not know the name of the pharmacy.
Exactly. Listen and repeat, "Excuse me." Now put the phrases together. "Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy?" Excellent. You can also ask, "How can I get to the station?"
Is that different from, where is the station?
A little. "Where is the station?" asks for the location. "How can I get to the station?" asks for the route. Both are useful.
So if the station is difficult to find, the second question is better.
Yes, listen and repeat. "How can I get to the station?" Part 3. Go straight. The first direction is, go straight. This means continue in the same direction. Do not turn left. Do not turn right.
Just keep walking.
Exactly. You may also hear, go straight ahead. It means the same thing.
Can I say walk straight?
Yes. Walk straight is understandable, but go straight is more common in general directions.
What if I am in a car?
You can still say go straight. It works for walking, driving, or cycling. Listen and repeat, go straight.
What is a block?
A block is the area between streets in a town or city. If someone says, go straight for 2 blocks, you continue past 2 street sections.
That is useful in cities with clear blocks.
Yes, you may also hear, go straight until you see the bank. This means continue walking and stop when the bank becomes visible.
The bank is the landmark.
Exactly. Listen and repeat. Go straight until you see the bank. Now imagine you are helping someone. Tell them to continue in the same direction.
Go straight.
Good. Part 4. Turn left and turn right. Now we need 2 important turns. Turn left, turn right.
I know the words, but sometimes I forget the sides.
A simple trick is to connect each word with one hand. Your left hand, your right hand.
I still need to check.
That is fine. Accuracy is more important than speed. Listen and repeat. Turn left.
Why do we say at the bank?
Because the bank shows you where to turn. It is the landmark at the corner or near the turn. You can say, turn left at the bank, turn right at the supermarket, turn left at the second street.
What does the second street mean?
You pass the first street, then you turn at the next one. That is the second street.
Good. So numbers can help make the route clearer.
Exactly. Now answer. I say the landmark. You give the direction. The bank is on the left corner. What do you say?
Turn left at the bank.
Good. The supermarket is on the right corner. What do you say?
Turn right at the supermarket.
Excellent. Part 5. Next to, opposite, and between. After you explain the movement, tell the person where the place is. The easiest position phrase is next to. For example, the station is next to the hotel.
So the station and the hotel are side by side.
Exactly. You can also use opposite. The café is opposite the bank. This means the café is on the other side of the street.
They face each other.
Yes, another useful phrase is between. The pharmacy is between the bakery and the supermarket.
One place on each side.
Exactly. Listen and repeat. The station is next to the hotel. Now choose the correct phrase. The restaurant is beside the hotel. Is it next to, opposite, or between the hotel?
Next to the hotel.
Correct. The bank is on the other side of the street from the cafe.
The bank is opposite the cafe.
Correct. The station has a hotel on one side and a cafe on the other.
The station is between the hotel and the cafe.
Excellent. Part 6. Listen to a complete route. Now listen to a complete conversation. Do not repeat yet. Listen for the 3 moves. Go straight, turn, find the landmark.
Ready.
Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the bank. The station is next to the city hotel.
Is it far?
No, it is about a 5-minute walk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That was clear and simple. Let's identify the route. First, go straight for 2 blocks. Second, turn left at the bank. Third, the station is next to the city hotel.
Straight, turn, landmark.
Exactly. And notice the extra question. Is it far?
That is useful when I want to know the distance.
Yes, possible answers include, no, it is very close. It is about a 5-minute walk. Or, yes, it is a little far.
Can I ask, how long does it take?
Yes, that asks about time. For example, how long does it take to walk there?
And the answer could be, about 10 minutes.
Exactly. Part 7. Communication problems. Sometimes directions are too fast or too long. You do not need to pretend you understand. Use a repair phrase.
A repair phrase?
A phrase that helps fix the conversation. For example, sorry, could you repeat that?
Very useful.
You can also ask, did you say left or right? Or is it next to the bank?
So I can check one important detail.
Exactly. Listen and repeat. Sorry, could you repeat that? Now listen. Go straight, turn right at the pharmacy, and the restaurant is opposite the park. You did not hear the turn. What can you ask?
Did you say left or right?
Good. You are not sure about the final location. What can you ask?
Is it opposite the park?
Excellent. Clear communication is more important than understanding everything the first time.
That makes me feel better. Sometimes people give directions like they are reading a racing map.
Then ask them to repeat. Part 8. Your turn. Find the station. Now you will practice a complete station route. You are the tourist. I am the local person. Answer during the pauses.
And I will give one possible answer after you.
You need the train station. Begin politely and ask where it is.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight for 1 block and turn right at the supermarket. You did not hear the turn. Ask me to repeat that part.
Sorry, did you say left or right?
Turn right. The station is opposite the hotel. Ask if it is far.
Is it far?
No, it is about a 5-minute walk. Finish the conversation politely.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I found the station.
You did. And you used a repair question when you needed help. Part 9, your turn. Find the restaurant. Now we will change the destination. You are looking for a restaurant called Green Garden. Begin the conversation.
Excuse me, how can I get to the Green Garden restaurant?
Go straight until you see the bank, then turn left. The restaurant is between the pharmacy and the bakery. Check the final location.
Is it between the pharmacy and the bakery?
Yes, exactly. Ask how long it takes to walk there.
How long does it take to walk there?
About 7 minutes. Finish politely.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Now I found lunch. This route is more important.
Directions are always more exciting when food is waiting.
Emma, did you mean to say that with a hungry voice?
Maybe. Part 10. Common mistakes. Let's correct 4 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Where the station is.
The correct question is, where is the station?
Exactly. Mistake 2. Go right straight.
The correct phrase is, go straight.
Good. Mistake 3. Turn to left.
The natural phrase is, turn left.
Correct. Mistake 4. The cafe is next the bank.
The correct phrase is, the cafe is next to the bank.
Excellent. Now correct these sentences out loud. Where the hotel is?
Where is the hotel?
Turn to right at the bank.
Turn right at the bank.
The pharmacy is next the supermarket.
The pharmacy is next to the supermarket.
Go straight and turn left in the traffic lights.
Go straight and turn left at the traffic lights.
Very good. Small words such as to and at make the directions clearer. Part 11. Build your own route. Now you will build your own directions. Choose one real place near your home, school, workplace, or hotel. It could be a cafe, shop, station, park, pharmacy, or restaurant.
Choose a place you know well.
Step 1. Name the destination. For example, the library. Now say the complete route. Use 2 or 3 clear instructions.
One possible answer is, go straight for 1 block. Turn left at the bank. The library is next to the cafe.
Excellent. Now make a second route using a real place from your life. Speak slowly and clearly.
My route is, go straight until you see the supermarket. Turn right at the traffic lights. The park is opposite the school.
Wonderful. That is a complete useful route. Part 12. Quick speaking quiz. Now it is quiz time. Answer before Leo gives one possible answer. Question 1. Ask politely where the nearest pharmacy is.
Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy?
Question 2. Tell someone to continue in the same direction.
Go straight.
Question 3. Tell someone to go left at the bank.
Turn left at the bank.
Question 4. Complete the sentence. The cafe is blank the hotel. The two places are side by side.
The cafe is next to the hotel.
Question 5. You did not hear the directions clearly. Ask the person to say them again.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Question 6. Build a 3-move route to a station. Use go straight, 1 turn, and 1 landmark.
Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn right at the bank. The station is opposite the hotel.
Excellent. How many questions did you answer?
All 6. My brain used a map today.
And your mouth used English. Part 13. Today's mission. Today's mission is to explain how to reach one nearby place. Choose a real destination you know. Then create a short route with the 3-move route method.
Straight, turn landmark.
Exactly. Use this frame. Go straight. Turn left or turn right at. It is next to, opposite, or between.
Can I write the route first?
Yes. Write it first if that helps. Then say it out loud 3 times. First, slowly. Second, without reading every word. Third, like you are helping a real tourist.
And I can record myself.
Yes, listen to your first recording, then try again with clearer pauses between the instructions.
Should I write my route in the comments too?
Yes. Write a short route to a cafe, station, park, shop, or another nearby place. Do not share your exact home address or any private location.
Good reminder. My mission route is go straight for 1 block. Turn left at the supermarket. The cafe is next to the bank.
Clear and easy to follow. Mine is go straight until you see the library. Turn right at the traffic lights. The park is opposite the school.
I think I can find it.
Then the directions worked.
Great job! You completed today's lesson. Now let's review what you learned.
Great job. You completed day 6 of the 7-day English speaking challenge.
Today I learned how to ask for directions and explain a short route.
You practiced. Excuse me.
Where is...
How can I get to...
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn right.
It is next to...
It is opposite.
And it is between...
We also practiced asking someone to repeat.
Exactly. Remember the 3-move route method. Go straight. Turn. Find the place near a landmark.
Straight, turn, landmark.
Write your mission route in the comments and say it out loud 3 times.
And make sure your left is really left.
In day 7, you will complete your first full English conversation.
The final day.
You will combine everything you have learned. You will introduce yourself, talk about your routine, express your likes, order something, ask simple questions, and say goodbye.
1 complete conversation from hello to goodbye.
Exactly. You will also use shadowing to repeat the full conversation with us.
I am ready. A little nervous, but ready.
That is normal. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss the final lesson.
Come back for day 7 and finish the challenge with us.
Before we finish, say your mission route 1 final time. Excellent work. You are building real spoken English one useful situation at a time.
And I think I finally understand right.
The direction or the correct answer?
Now I am lost again.
Then go straight, Leo.
Thanks for learning with us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Thanks for learning with us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in day 7.
See you in the final lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.